Hey guys, so I'm finally using this Fredrix watercolor canvas, and let me tell you, I really love it. It's very sturdy. It has that like nice cloth material, just like the Fredrix watercolor board. I do think this is better than the board. I feel like I can work with the colors better on this surface, but it is my first time using it, so I'd have to keep painting on both to see. I've used acrylics on a canvas before, but this is my first time painting with watercolor on a canvas made specifically for watercolor painting, and I really enjoyed the process. I can tell that it blends very nicely. I hope to put a video out for you guys showing you the comparison of the three boards, and maybe you can kind of see what I see or what I'm talking about. And this is the part I will throw the disclaimer out there that I don't really like how the purple cloud came out. The other ones came out okay. There was something about this purple cloud that just would not want to cooperate with me. But it's okay because I learned a lot and I didn't really plan this one out, so that's just another thing I learned that I have to do. And the funny thing is, it's not so much that it came out bad, it's like I just didn't know when to stop. So I just kept building it up when I really didn't need to. It was fine at a lot of points, but it wasn't how I pictured it in my head. So I guess I just kept going and didn't realize until I came back and looked at the video. And now that's just something else I can work on for any next painting that I do. I'll be aware of those things. So this one was a learning lesson for me, but I still had a lot of fun making it, and really it's always about practice anyway, so I never see a piece of work as time wasted. I just see as, okay, well, I just practiced and now I know for the next time. And I just want to say that I have a couple things coming out. I just started this newsletter that I'm coming out with. It's going to be just a monthly newsletter, and I hope to add tips and tricks and anything you guys want to know or anything you want to see, just anything that will help you guys with your journey, just as I'm going along mine. And the link for that is down below in my description. Please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I post weekly, and I usually do tutorials or time lapses. It just depends. I really appreciate all the support I've gotten from everybody, from my family, my friends, people I've met through Instagram, through going through this art journey. I'm just so grateful for everything, and I will forever just say thank you so much.